Welcome to our foot massager showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular products, the HoMedics Shiatsu Select Foot Massager with Heat and the Vibit Vibrating Massager. Both of these devices promise to provide relief and relaxation for your feet, but they do so in different ways. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. The HoMedics Shiatsu Select Foot Massager offers therapeutic kneading and rolling with 4 rotational heads and 12 massage nodes, providing a soothing experience enhanced by heat. In contrast, the Vibit Vibrating Massager focuses on deep tissue relief, with 3 adjustable vibration levels, making it versatile for various body parts. While the HoMedics model is designed specifically for foot massage, the Vibit can be used on feet, neck, and other areas, offering broader utility. When it comes to pricing, the HoMedics Shiatsu Select is priced at $77, making it a more affordable option for those seeking a quality foot massager. On the other hand, the Vibit Vibrating Massager comes with a higher price tag of $169, reflecting its multifunctional use and advanced features. Depending on your budget and needs, this could be a significant factor in your decision. User experience is crucial when it comes to foot massagers. The HoMedics model is designed to provide a comforting and relaxing experience with its heat and kneading features, ideal for unwinding after a long day. Meanwhile, the Vibit Vibrating Massager offers versatility, allowing users to target different areas of the body, which can be beneficial for those with specific pain points. Both products aim to enhance relaxation, but they cater to different preferences. In conclusion, both the HoMedics Shiatsu Select Foot Massager and the Vibit Vibrating Massager have their unique strengths. The HoMedics model is perfect for those who want a dedicated foot massage experience with heat, while the Vibit offers versatility for various body parts. Consider your needs and budget before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.